Describe how link building can help or hinder the search engine ranking of a website. The definition of link building. Link building is the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. A hyperlink, usually just called a link, is a way for users to navigate between pages on the internet. Search engines use links to crawl the web. They will crawl the links between the individual pages on your website, and they will crawl the links between entire websites. There are many techniques for building links, and while they vary in difficulty, SEOs tend to agree that link building is one of the hardest parts of their jobs. Many SEOs spend the majority of their time trying to do it well. For that reason, if you can master the art of building high quality links, it can truly put you ahead of both other SEOs and your competition. Why is link building important for an SEO? This is because there are two fundamental ways that the search engine uses links. One is to discover new web pages. Two is to help determine how well a page should rank in their results. Once search engines have crawled web pages on the web, they can extract the content of those pages and add it to their indexes. In this way, they can decide if they feel a page is of sufficient quality to be ranked well for the relevant keywords. When they are deciding this, the search engines do not just look at the content of the page, they also look at the number of links pointing to the page from external websites and the quality of those external websites. Generally speaking, the more high quality websites that link to you, the more likely you are going to rank well in anyone's search results. Links are a ranking factor are what allow Google to start to dominate the search engine market. One of Google's founders, Larry Page, invented PageRank, which Google used to measure the quality of a page based on part of the number of links pointing to it. This was then used as part of the overall ranking algorithm and became a strong signal because it was a very good way of determining the quality of the page. It was so effective because it was based upon the idea that a link could be seen as a vote of confidence about a page, i.e. it would get links if it didn't deserve to. The theory is that when someone links to another website, they're effectively saying it's a good resource. Otherwise they wouldn't link to it, much in the same way you wouldn't send a friend to a bad restaurant. However, SEOs soon discovered how to manipulate PageRank and search results for chosen keywords. Google started actively trying to find ways to discover websites which were manipulating search results and began rolling out regular updates which were specifically aimed at filtering out websites that didn't deserve to rank. This has led to Google starting to discount a number of link building techniques that were previously deemed fine. For example, submitting your website to web directories and getting a link in return. This was a technique that Google actually recommended at one point, but it became abused and overused by SEOs, so Google stopped passing as much value from this sort of links.